Want to know what students do after studies in Astrakhan? Well, this is one place you simply can't miss. The beautiful Volga riverfront, where every evening the city comes alive.
From stunning riverside views and iconic landmarks to vibrant streets and hidden local gems, Astrakhan has plenty of place to offer.
The Volga riverfront isn't just the longest river in Europe, it's the heartbeat of Astrakhan. Flowing through the city for centuries, it has shaped the culture, lifestyle and history of this beautiful region.
कैस्पियन सी का नाम तो आप सबने सुना होगा, तो ये सिटी एग्जैक्टली उसके बहुत पास लोकेटेड है और दिस इज बिल्ड अराउंड द माइटी वोल्गा रिवर. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज आल्सो नोन एज वेनिस ऑफ वोल्गा.
You will find families enjoying evening walks, friends relaxing by the riverside, students spending quality time after classes, and tourists capturing the breathtaking views.
After spending a very hectic day in Astrakhan city, I think this spot is the most peaceful spot of the city. यहाँ मुझे एक ही शाम में बहुत सारी चीज देखने को मिल गई, जैसे the boat rides, the beautiful sunset, and of course the calm lifestyle of the people.
For adventure lovers, the riverfront offers plenty of things to enjoy, from boating and water sports to cycling along the scenic pathways. There's always something happening here. Whether you are looking for excitement or simply a peaceful evening, the Volga riverfront has something for everyone.
फॉर कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स और ऐसे पर्सन्स के लिए जिनको फोटोज वीडियोस क्लिक करना बहुत पसंद है, उनके लिए ये जगह तो है ही बहुत बढ़िया. बट फॉर अ पर्सन लाइक मी, जिनको दिन एंड होने के बाद एक बहुत सुकून भरी शाम चाहिए और इतना खूबसूरत नजारा चाहिए, तो ऑफ कोर्स दिस रिवर साइड इज अ मस्ट गो टू प्लेस इन Astrakhan.
And as the sun begins to set, the riverfront transforms into one of the most vibrant places in the city. While exploring, we also learn something interesting about Russian pedestrian traffic rules.
As you can see, there is a signal behind me, जहाँ पे proper light rule follow होता है. Means अगर green signal है पीछे, तो आप walk कर सकते हो. If there is a red light, तो गाड़ियाँ cross करेंगी. अभी मैं आपको करके दिखाऊंगी. When वहाँ पे green light होगी, तो मैं वहाँ पे चल सकती हूँ. And when the red light means no. Fine?
At traffic signals, pedestrians strictly follow the green and red lights before crossing the road. But what impressed us even more were the zebra crossings without traffic signals.
Now you can see, अब signal behind me is a free signal. Means इस signal पे कोई light नहीं है. Means आपको red और green light को follow नहीं करना है. पर जब आप चलेंगे तो जो भी कार्स और व्हीकल्स हैं वो रुक जाएगी. Come, let me show you.
Here, as soon as pedestrians step forward to cross, vehicles stop automatically and patiently wait until everyone has crossed safely. It's a simple rule that reflects the discipline and respect for pedestrian in everyday life. And as night falls, the atmosphere becomes even more magical. The beautifully illuminated bridges, glowing skyline, reflections on the calm waters, and cool evening breeze creates a serene and unforgettable experience. The entire city lights up, making Astrakhan looks even more beautiful after sunset. It's one of those places where you can simply sit, relax, and appreciate the charm of the city. Living in Astrakhan isn't just about studying medicine. It's about experiencing a safe, organized, and welcoming city where education and lifestyle go hand in hand. So if you are planning to pursue MBBS at Astrakhan State Medical University, you will discover that your journey extends far beyond the classroom. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ASMU campus tours, student life videos, and exclusive glimpse of Astrakhan city. We'll see you in our next adventure. Thank you so much.